All right, good morning and what's up, everybody? Ryan Wave. Make sure you follow the IG, Ryan.wave. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so I'm just trying to rush into this because I got things to do, but I want to show y'all this. This is the Satin Jordan 1 women's sizes, the Shatter backboards. All right, I'm about to open the box. I just wanted to show y'all the box. I'm super excited. I haven't worn these yet. I'm not going to wear them. I'm going to sell them. The 10.5 you see right there, boom, boom, boom. It says Women's Air Jordan 1 RE High OGSL. And yeah, I don't know if you can see it that good. I'll zoom in for y'all. Regular Jordan 1 box, got the box top, got the white paper. But, ooh, look at these Jordan 1s. The satin, what? Why in the hell would they make this a women's size shoe? I would definitely keep these, but you know, the way that my pockets are sitting right now, I need to sell them. So they're about to be gone. I'll probably end up buying them again because the market is dropping like crazy right now. I wish it wasn't. But man, check out this shoe. Let me just go over it really quick. It has the satin in the back where it usually has the leather. So this is the third Shatter backboards, right? They got the original, they got the reverse, and now they have these for the women. I mean, I would wear these. But anyways, the satin in the back has the leather, the genuine leather. Oh my gosh. It even has the satin inside. Like, dude. Anyways, let me show you guys the tag. It's way down there. I mean, it comes with shoe trees or whatever. I mean, let me see. It has the satin on the toe box. Even has satin Nike check mark right on top of the leather. It's really crazy. You got the Jordan 1 sign right there, even satin stitched. I mean, these guys went crazy with this shoe. Got the translucent bottom so you can see the whites. Man, these guys went crazy. Jordan went crazy. This shoe is amazing. I love this shoe so much. I need to get me a pair. I'm about to sell these. So these are size 9 in men because it's 10.5 in women. You have to go like a size and a half up. But personally, these are like a grail. I wish I had all the satins. I know they have white. I mean, I'm sorry. I know they have blue. I know they have red, the bread toes and the royals. But these are dope. I mean, women, I know women are going crazy over this shit right now. I just want y'all to see this. I don't want y'all to get scammed. I just want y'all to see the real version of this. Check it out. You know, check out the leather. It's tumbled leather right under the bottom and on the toe box kind of too. So just keep that in mind. Pay real close attention to this when you're legit checking, and pay real close attention to the back tab right here. I haven't seen any fakes, but I know they're gonna come. So be careful out there. That's it for today. I just wanted to show y'all the quick OG satins. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow my IG at Ryan.wave. I'm about to take off. I gotta go do some stuff. I'm about to ship these out today to GOAT. Shout out GOAT. Appreciate it. And yeah, let's start the day. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.